Using Subprocess.Call with Mysqldump. I have been scripting with Windows for many years and have only started to look at Python as an alternative in the last few weeks. I'm trying to write a native Python script to back up a MySQL database with Mysqldump. I normally do this with a command line piping the output is greater than without issue. I see many answers with subprocess.popen and shell equals true. Equally, I see many statements say I should avoid shell equals true. So I'm trying to get the following code to redirect my stout to a file, all without success. If I comment out the sys.stout line, I see the Mysqldump outputting to my screen, so I know I have the syntax correct for this part. I added the print statement and can see this gets written to the file Mysqldump.txt. But when run in full, there is no dump to the screen or the file. Any ideas? I'm trying to avoid using shell solution.
What you tried to do doesn't work because modifying sys.stout only affects Python level statements such as print, not lower level writes from C, and particularly not those performed by an external program. You want to tell subprocess to create a pipe, like you did with the is greater than redirection, which goes like this.
Could you use the result file equals file argument for Mysqldump? Might have to change check underscore output to subprocess.call for this to complete. Or edit, myfile.txt will close after subprocess is done.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.